Supplementary angles are two angles that sum to be 180 degrees. These two angles are supplementary because they do add up to 180. 40 plus 140 is equal to 180. Notice that they form a straight angle when they're adjacent or next to each other. These two angles are also supplementary because their sum is 180 degrees. 70 degrees plus 110 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Although they aren't next to each other or are non-adjacent, they can still be supplementary. Sometimes it can be challenging to remember what complementary and supplementary mean in terms of angles. So there are a few ways that we have that could be used to help remember. The first one deals with order. Well, the letter C comes before the letter S in the alphabet, and 90 comes before 180 on a number line. So match the order. Complementary angles start with the C, the beginning letter, add to equal 90, the first number out of the two on a number line. And supplementary angles, the second letter, S, adds up to equal 180, which is after 90 on a number line. The second idea is to think of it visually. If you actually write the C and the S and then draw a segment through the letter's endpoints, you form a number that's associated with each one. So if we take the C and we start at the top and extend through the other endpoint, we create a 9 for 90. And similarly, if you take the S for supplementary and you start at the beginning point and go to the end point, you create an 8 for 180. Another one of my teacher friends shared another one that I thought was really cool too. You could also think of C as being half of an S. Like you can actually take your hands and make an S. And if you take the bottom half away, you just get a C. And 90 is half of 180. So the S goes with the 180, and half of the S makes the C for complementary, which is half of 180, which is 90.